Nanwe no kofa ba yo. Stonebwoy ehunfa no after say Shatta Wale finally ordene Rolls Royce Cullinan now or told months ago. As Stonebwoy ebe dragging ewo hono busia Shatta Wale ni Rolls Royce Cullinan no attach it grounds ewo Ghana ama ehun sem no de abe bebrebe aha Penyah blog media mesrewa se obe like video no na obe subscribe button so click notification icon no na obe kire wadwen area ama me ewo comment section enti ebe kaya in somewhere 20th November ni mu ani hu Shatta Wale aba media no so obe post video bi na ote Rolls Royce Cullinan mu
Baby, this ain't even coming together, man.
It's good to have your own shit,
It's
yeah?
good to have your own shit, beast.
In a real life.
Yeah, in a real life, man.
Huncho!
Whoa.
Double R. Wicked.
Ano otire mu se ka we de obetobi e de abafie obetobi e de abafie enu achi ene hu se Shatta Wale ewo quantum cars omu shop bia oho na Rolls Royce no omu ye no quantum cars omu shop you say Rolls Shatta Wale ewo ho no mu a all spy sa car no Ana se hu se Shatta Wale ewo ho no na all spy sa car no ehwehwe car no ho neema na yade a bibia kire se car no onu apese auto car no eno 3rd December 2024 ni mu ana fe quantum cars shop owners ni bi ye hu se video bi aba monta na omo congratulate Shatta Wale se watimi ato that car ne baako.
Hey guys, it's Matt over here with Quantum Car Company here in Orange County, California. Over here we got the amazing Rolls Royce Cullinan that we just sold to Shatta Wale. Once again, my man, happy birthday and congratulations on your great success in the music industry and the latest song with Beyonce. Congratulations, my man.
Happy birthday, megastar. That's some for life.
And then I was like, Shatta Wale, what talk car? Oh, okay, media no say the yenyina ye born abaso. Man, congratulations. Later, I didn't say quantum car shop on no. Omo prepare Shatta Wale car for deportation.
Make them feel I'm lie on the talk, no be goat. Them no see nothing yet, na trailer go jam them, no be boat. If na crown and the fang na king level, I go give them. I no be pants scatter, but me and my girl, we dey see them. Wash. We dey wash them under feet. 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 Wench. Heavyweight, I be no lightweight.
the cargo already. You don't got pillows?
Ebeba Ghana hanum omo air prepare car no for shipping se ebeba Ghana etina the media no so de obi ani age a ye twan se car no ebe touch ground for about 3 weeks na buja car no emeduru ye ema enum kura no Stonebwoy ene Shatta Wale enya beef no Stonebwoy edi gina so catch Shatta Wale say oye settings man
Settings man, because people know. Me see a settings man. Obi o to me to Rolls Royce name by. Now to my sakwa kotina abro tire settings. Ye ni me say oye settings man. Me maka na den. Menka. Hey, me see any mamu news. Na den.
can one toy but be yes settings oko abro tire ho e ko na mo ho go twitwa videos e ko twitwa pictures ko yes snap e be post yes settings. How I say settings but ni nyina wale man de no say waye din wankasa no waye din se man Stonebwoy ke nyina na wale de was waye din later crowd who say chumbere ma awa kwetia e drop it that Rolls Royce Cullinan na bi wale de na bi or de bi ba Ghana
Nana Masisi car what? Nana Masisi car.
Was why you need I feel say na be 10 na be count.
ana man for bana ba so na ye be mem ko Shatta de o go twa pictures ko video keke won man farm ba wo de about down abra wa me ko anya hu dede unfortunately for Chumberema 3 days time and with all the car no car na ko jam lad program car na say etre ni penyina esre Shatta Wale say Shatta pa into be your fans sa offense obey yes what to car da ye hu hwe ama efo ena busuafo anya SM fans twetwe ha omo tete ye ha aza certain smile ena mo frel ye bibi abusua finally and believe that castle yam frama and silence is a very powerful tool and powerful answer. Shatta Wale car na opposite ya na Stonebwoy efo etire mu se eya za onto hwe no akoto car de na for like 2 to 3 weeks in the car ntime duru ye no enne car no attach it down ama Stonebwoy eye machine no
That's so cool. Best dance company in Africa. For life.
Shatta Wale Rolls Royce na beju no settings. Wale Rolls Royce na be do habo.
Wale actually say we be memo. Onya za certain smart. Say Stonebwoy 83 mo no. Onya za certain smart. But now he was actually waiting for the appropriate time to ship the car back to Ghana. I see and the car be see you know. Me check Stonebwoy ni BP a. Abusian Stonebwoy BP kosro. Ne pressure kosro. Ohun se car na besi form say kwan no. Abusian ne pressure kosro wama. Meantime mo figures correct ne. Na when amanfo no be ebusa Stonebwoy question. They say a car na Shatta Wale dia bana wo kan say we as certain man abeduru they say dey na abeye. Then they say Stonebwoy beye. Ubetima kire wadwene e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.